What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to create this Brutalist Spider-Man poster entirely inside Photoshop. Let's get into it. First, create a new document. I'm using a vertical poster format at 16 by 20 inches and 300 dpi. Set the background to pure black. The Brutalist aesthetic works best with strong contrast and lots of negative space, so starting with a dark canvas helps immediately establish that mood. Now let's add the main headline. Use a bold condensed font, something heavy and industrial. I'm using Impact. Scale it up so it dominates the top section of the composition. Next, add the smaller body text underneath. This acts like editorial filler content and helps the poster feel more authentic and layered. Now we'll start building the frame structure. Use the rectangle tool with no fill and a thin stroke. Create large content boxes for your main Spider-Man image and the smaller side panels. With that done, I'll quickly add the rest of the text and some small graphics to pull everything together. Now import your Spider-Man graphics. Place the main image inside the large frame, and create a layer mask to remove anything outside the edges. Simply repeat that for the smaller images. For each of these images, you're going to want to head to Filter Gallery and apply some grain. Once you've done that, go ahead and apply a threshold adjust layer. If you'd like to preserve more detail from your images, you can apply a shadows and highlights adjustment and play around with those settings until you get a look you're happy with. To add color to your design, add a solid color layer and set the blending mode to either darken or multiply. Time to add some grunge textures. I've linked the ones I used in this tutorial in the description, so feel free to download those and follow along with me. For the first texture, I set the blending mode to multiply, and for the second one, I set it to screen and then turned opacity down to 75%. And that's pretty much it. Using just typography, textures, strong composition, and a few images, you can create a brutalist-style poster that feels cinematic, aggressive, and modern. You can customize this style with different colors, characters, or themes while keeping the same layout principles. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Photoshop and visual design content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.